Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. Are you tired, lazy, not feeling like cooking? I just have a perfect and tasty recipe for you. It takes only 5 minutes of your time if you have cooked rice or leftover rice. I'm sure even kids love this simple recipe which can also be made for quick morning lunch box. So, let's get started. Friends, this jeera rice recipe looks so simple, but it's super flavorful and loaded with lots of fiber. You can just eat like that or with some pickle as side. So do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also, if you like our recipes, do like, share and subscribe our Gruhinis World. Thanks for watching.